Hello and welcome to this week's Tuesday Chat. This week we have something a little bit different. We're going to be speaking to Andrew Okola about the legal system in Antigua and Barbuda and some of the processes that you might come into contact with.
Good morning, Andrew.
Hey, Sam, great to see you.
Great to see you.
All is well, have a seat.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. How are you?
Yeah, very well, thank you. So, I'd like to ask you a few questions today about the legal system in Antigua and Barbuda.
Very well. Well, let's do it.
Can you just tell us a little bit about how the legal system in Antigua is set up?
So, in Antigua and Barbuda, the first thing anyone needs to know is that Antigua and Barbuda is a country that operates under the rule of law. So, the rule of law does exist in Antigua and Barbuda. So the justice system in Antigua and Barbuda, in terms of the court system, consists really at the pinnacle of it is a UK-based Privy Council. Below that comes the Court of Appeal, then the High Court, and at the very base of it, you have the magistrates' courts.
So in respect, obviously it's quite a simple question, but do you have to be an Antiguan and Barbudan national to access the court system or the legal system?
No, well, that's a very important question, and it's good to understand. Apart from the fact that Antigua and Barbuda operates under the rule of law, justice in Antigua and Barbuda, we say, is even-handed, it's fair, and it is justice that can be accessed by all persons in Antigua and Barbuda, whether you're national or non-national. In fact, all persons in Antigua and Barbuda are given the protection of the Constitution. The Constitution is the highest order of the land in Antigua, and if one just simply, and everyone can do this, you don't need a lawyer to do this, you can pretty much, and I should not reference any particular search engine, but you can pretty much go on the internet, do a quick search as everyone does, and you could see the Constitution of Antigua and Barbuda, and what you would notice is that most of the provision there starts everyone. And everyone mean nationals or non-nationals. So whilst you're in Antigua and Barbuda, you are given the protection of the Constitution. You are given access to the courts, and you're seen as equal as anyone else before the law. The challenge, though, invariably, statutes are generally drafted in a particular way, and you do need to go to a legal representative, be it barrister, law solicitor, or an attorney at law, if you have interests that you need to protect, or interests that you simply need to explore. It's best served to have legal counsel.
Right, so it's to better understand how those pieces of legislation are interpreted or would be interpreted by the...
Indeed, to better understand that and to better enable you to position yourself to make whatever transaction you make happening in Antigua and Barbuda, and to give you comfort. Invariably, you're purchasing property and you're spending your hard-earned money in a country that is miles away. So you want to make sure you have the same sort of comfort and security if you're purchasing property in England and Wales, or you're in North America. And I dare say, doing it the right way, having legal advice and the guidance from Antigua and Barbuda, then you should generally invariably get to where you're going smoothly. It might be a bumpy road, generally end up getting there.
So effectively, from what you said earlier, effectively the law and the legal system is open, transparent, and it is effectively open to anyone who is located, be it a national, a resident, a transient worker, or a tourist. Anyone can access the law system and the legal system.
It is open, accessible to everyone, and it protects everyone in Antigua and Barbuda. Whether you're a national, non-national, so effectively a tourist, or effectively you decide that as a non-national you simply wish to do an investment property in Antigua and Barbuda, or you wish Antigua to be your second home, it protects you.
So we've discussed various aspects of law and how the law is similar structure to the United Kingdom system. Is there anything else that you'd like to sort of add or you could tell me about?
Well, look, the court is accessible, but equally also are the lawyers. There are more than hundreds of lawyers in Antigua and Barbuda, so they are also accessible. Beyond that, what I would say is that Antigua is a beautiful place, a beautiful island. We tend to refer to it as Happy Antigua. So there's excellent nightlife, there's boating, or possibly, a place for wonderful relaxation. The challenge is, those are above my pay grade, and I'm not able to tell you more about it now, so I'll stick to law.
Okay, perfect. Andrew, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
And lovely to see you.